友人の剣をくれ。
LMS Gaming back with another DMZ key location drop video for our Mazrah. This one is the Deckhand Toolbox key location. Pretty simple find. First things first, you're going to want to come down south of the map to this abandoned ship. It's sunken off the, not off the coast, but it's sunken. Pretty simple find. When you get here, you're going to be looking for a toolbox. In this toolbox, I found 24,000. I don't know if the loot changes per game, but like I said, it's a pretty simple find. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and drop a like for me as well, and stay tuned for the next DMZ key location drop video. LMS Gaming out.